we are making a beautiful, authentic Turkish dish, Tepsi Mantisi. Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. It's a kind of dumpling filled with minced meat, but it's gonna be open on top. We're gonna create a beautiful pattern. Very easy to make than you think. It's gonna be very delicious. The name Tepsi means tray and Manti is the dumpling. Normally we use this kind of tray to make the Manti. It could be in bigger sizes and you can either bake in the oven or for 2-3 person you can cook on stove top. Another künefe pans I have here. You can make individual sizes to serve. But since I have viewers from all around the world, I want to show you the easiest way you can find, which is non-stick pan like this. So we're gonna do it in here. My dough is ready here. Resting, I used 1 egg, 100 milliliter water, some salt and flour. And need stiff dough. It should be pliable but hard to knead so we can shape it easily. It's been resting for about 20 minutes. And this is my filling. I have 150 grams of minced meat. I added 1 medium-sized onion finely diced. Half a teaspoon salt, black pepper and paprika. Mix everything well by hand. If your minced meat doesn't have much fat, you can add some olive oil. We are also going to make tomato sauce on top with tomato paste, some butter, water and seasonings, and serve it with yogurt. So first I'm going to roll out my dough and then begin filling and shaping. I just want to remind that if you are enjoying, if you think that it's valuable, you can support my channel just by commenting, liking and sharing my videos so others can also see. So I'm sprinkling some flour here. Going to use both rolling pin and oklava, a little bit thinner like this we use to make our yufka sheets. But you can also make it only by rolling pin as well. So I'm gonna give pressure from here and with one move continue to roll out the dough. If you have pasta machine, just use it, very handy. If you don't, just flip the dough from time to time and use your rolling pin to roll out. Okay, I rolled out my dough into about like 1 millimeter, think like a pasta dough. I'm going to cut it into squares. I'm gonna use my oklava again. You can use cetvel, ruler. How big your squares should be, it's up to you, my friends. It doesn't have to be very small. We like to shape our mantis into tiny bits, but we don't have to do that much. You can also use your fingers to measure. They never change. Just measure once, and for me, my 2 fingers is 3 centimeters. Keep that in mind and then use accordingly. I'm rolling my oklava 2 times and then cut. Now going to fill generously with the mincemeat filling. Okay, I used a simple tomato sauce with butter and seasoning and some garlic. If you have, you can also use some meat stock, would be even more delicious. And the rest of it fit here. A little bit empty space we got, so I put the leftover dough pieces. I have lightly mixed full fat yogurt. You can add some crushed garlic in it. Going to serve it here and then sprinkle some dried mint and it will be ready. Time to taste. I'm just gonna get some okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perfectly cooked, a little bit al dente. I like it this way. If you want, just drizzle more water or meat stock and continue to simmer for a while. You can close the lid and then open it up to evaporate some of the water. You can also keep it a little bit watery if you like. Some people prefer that. So delicious. I highly recommend to try this, my friends. Very easy to make then you think, then it looks so beautiful and appealing. Involve your kids or loved ones, make it together, and you're gonna love and you will want to make more. Thanks for watching and afiyet olsun. See you next time.